Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you the latest free open source Umbraco Commerce package, the product feeds. With this package, exporting your Umbraco Commerce product in a structured XML format is easier than ever. The first feed template we choose to support is the Google Merchant Center product feed. Let's dive right in. I am using the blended demo store project for this demo. The source code for this demo store is also publicly available on GitHub. So the Umbraco Commerce Product Feed package can be installed by few simple steps. You download product from NuGet, code a method to add it to your website, and restart your site. Now there will be a new section added under your store settings. It's called Product Feeds. Let's click on that and click on create a new product feed to your feed name. This one doesn't really matter. And click on products. In the feed types, select a feed type. Right now only Google Merchant Center feed is supported. Select your document type of your product. In this demo store, it is going to be product page and multi-variant product page. Product child variant type. If your site uses a product child variant approach, then you should select it here. The child variant type. In this demo store, it is product variant. Select a product root. Well, let's just choose the homepage. I also added few pre-populated property and node name mapping here to make it easier for you. Click Save. Click on Open Feed. And you should see your XML product feed that match with Google Merchant Center standard. The nice thing about this package is its extendability. You can easily add more product data to the feed by add more property and node name mapping. For example, here I'm going to add a new, let's say G custom node, and let's choose the long description property. And about the value extractor, let's choose the default single value property extractor. This is the most common one that you are going to use. Click Save. Open the feed again. You should see that there is a G custom node added here, and its value right now is raw HTML. In case that the default single value property extractor does not suit your needs, then you can add your own value extractor in the system. The detailed step on how to do that can be found on Umbraco docs. That's it. I hope this free open source package will help your products reach out to more audience.